Roundup Super Concentrate Instructions. Roundup Super Concentrate herbicide kills weeds and unwanted grasses down to the root. The product contains 50.2% glyphosate, which works systemically, moving through the plant's vascular system to kill the roots. Weeds and grasses sprayed with Roundup will begin yellowing within 2 days and should be completely dead in 1 to 2 weeks. It works well in taming weeds and other unwanted growth around vegetation, along fences, on walkways, paving stones, mulched areas, and when creating gardening areas or for lawn restoration. However, it should not be used to spot treat lawns, as the spray will kill any plants it contacts. Things you'll need: gloves, safety glasses, tank sprayer, cardboard. Apply Roundup Super Concentrate on a warm day where temperatures are above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, the weather is dry and there is no wind. Wear gloves and safety glasses when applying the product. Unscrew the top of a pump-up tank sprayer and add 5 tablespoons of Roundup Super Concentrate per each gallon of water. Use 3 tablespoons of the product on weeds that are easier to kill, such as seedlings or young plants. Fill tank sprayer with the appropriate amount of water, according to how much herbicide is used. Screw the tank sprayer's top tightly back in place and pump up the handle until it is hard to push down. Test the nozzle's spray pattern on a concrete surface and adjust accordingly before starting to spray the herbicide on the unwanted vegetation. Place cardboard as a barrier around desirable plants to shield them from accidental spray. Saturate unwanted vegetative growth with the Roundup, being careful not to spray desired plants. Clean the tank sprayer after using the Roundup. Rinse the inside of the tank and all sprayer parts 3 times to remove all herbicide residues. Tips: warnings. Once the herbicide has dried on the vegetation, in approximately 30 minutes, the area is safe for humans and pets. Once Roundup has dried on the vegetation, rain will not wash the product off. It is safe to plant ornamental plants 1 day after application. Wait approximately 3 days before planting turf grasses, vegetables and fruiting plants. Wait approximately 17 days before harvesting fruits or nuts, cranberries or grapevines. Wash your hands with soap after using.